Why title insurance is so important. Let me tell you a little story. I've been in real estate now for over 13 years, and never did I have, or one of my clients have, a title issue. I have a lot of clients that pay cash for the property, and they ask, Catherine, why do I even need title insurance? Let me tell you why. You also don't buy a car without a warranty, a brand new car. You get a warranty. You don't drive a car without insurance. So the title insurance protects the chain of title from when the property was built, from the first owner to you as the owner. So let's say John bought the property in 1918 and he sold it to somebody else in 1945. And then the property gets sold multiple times and you end up with it in 2020. And now one of the heirs of John finds a default in the title or an invalid transfer of title, where, for example, John was incapacitated or mentally not allowed to sign. He had like a certificate that he was not allowed to transfer the property over. And now they are filing a lawsuit against you claiming ownership to the property. You could be out of luck and you can lose the property. For that reason, you need title insurance, because they are going to write a check. They're either going to write a check to you or they're going to write a check to the family of John. So this has never happened to me until about a few months ago. And thankfully it did not happen to any of my clients, but out of all people, it happened to me. So I bought a property last year, and I bought it from a gentleman, and he had bought it previously from guardianship. So now the man that transferred the property into the guardianship has passed, and his heirs are claiming ownership to said property. This is now a huge issue because I had to hire a lawyer. Well, thankfully not me. I have title insurance. So I forgot who I have title insurance with. I should know probably, but I don't. So they hired a lawyer for me and they're paying for it. So now we're going back and forth because supposedly this old man gave a power of attorney to this attorney, and she transferred the property into a guardianship, but at the time she did the transfer, she didn't have authority to do so anymore, and she should have known, and she should have never transferred the property. Now, there are several issues now arising with this claim. First of all, the defendants have never paid property taxes on the property for years. Secondly, the property has been substantially improved. See, when it was transferred years ago to the guardianship, the property was abandoned, it was in very bad shape, and it sold for like $170,000. When I purchased the property, I paid $750,000. So it was substantially improved, and it was not done by the defendants. They also never paid the property taxes in that time. So there is now an issue arising how much, if at all, they should get from the title insurance. Thankfully, the great thing is I don't have to worry about this. I have an attorney, I have title insurance, and they're gonna have to write a check to either me for the full value of the property, which is $750 that I paid, or they're gonna have to compensate those people for the time value of the property plus whatever they're asking for. I don't care, because I have title insurance. And this is why you should never purchase a property without title insurance, because claims can arise, and it doesn't need to be the fault of the title company that you work with. It could be the fault of one of the previous transactions that looks like it was legit, but somebody messed up. So to guarantee a clean and clear chain of title on a property, when you purchase a property, if you finance, you have to anyway, but if you pay cash, I highly recommend getting title insurance. It's really, compared to the value you're getting, a very small price to pay. I hope this was helpful for you, and you make it a beautiful day.